A bank account and a debit card are two different financial tools that serve distinct purposes. 1. Bank account. A bank account is a financial account provided by a bank or a financial institution where you can deposit and withdraw funds. It is typically used for various banking activities, such as depositing money, writing checks, transferring funds, and earning interest. A bank account is associated with an account number and may include additional features like online banking, bill payment, and electronic fund transfers. 2. Debit card. A debit card is a payment card issued by a bank that allows you to make purchases or withdraw money directly from your bank account. It is linked to your bank account, and when you use the card for a transaction, the funds are deducted directly from your account. Debit cards can be used for in-store purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Now, when it comes to linking your bank account or debit card to your PayPal account for salary purposes, both options are generally safe. However, there are a few factors to consider. 1. Security. In terms of security, a debit card may carry a slightly higher risk compared to a bank account. If your debit card information is compromised, unauthorized individuals may have direct access to your bank account funds. On the other hand, if your bank account is compromised, the perpetrator would require additional information to access your funds, such as your account number and routing number. 2. Protection. Debit cards often provide certain protections against fraudulent transactions, such as zero liability policies. This means that if your card is used fraudulently, you may not be liable for the unauthorized charges. However, the specific protections can vary between banks and countries. Bank accounts also have security measures in place, and most banks offer fraud protection policies, but it's advisable to review the terms and conditions of your specific bank. 3. Convenience. When it comes to convenience, using a debit card linked to your PayPal account may be more convenient for making online purchases or withdrawals. It allows for instant access to funds, whereas with a bank account, you may need to initiate transfers or wait for clearance before using the funds. Ultimately, the choice between a bank account and a debit card for linking to your PayPal account depends on your personal preferences and the level of security you desire. It's advisable to review the terms and conditions of your bank, assess the security features, and consider any additional protections offered by the debit card provider. Subscribe now and click the notification bell so that you will be updated every time I post new videos.